On the Monaco Roadmaster chassis, one common source of steering play is the drag link. Now, what is the drag link? Well, it's this thing. So this connects your pitman arm back to your steering arm. So what can happen is the joints on the ends of this drag link can develop play over time, and that's going to translate to slop in your steering. So in that case, you need to replace it. From the factory, you can see that you've got a thread-in joint on the front, but on the back, they used one where it's a single piece. So you really do have to replace the whole unit if you develop play, especially in that rear joint on the drag link. What complicates this is that they used multiple different lengths of drag link when they built these chassis. So you really got to measure to determine what part number you need in order to get the right fit for your chassis. So the way to do that is you measure from grease fitting to grease fitting to get your center to center length. So on this one, we are roughly 55. We're about 54 3/4 thereabouts, center to center. So that's going to tell us the correct part number that we would need to replace that. So hope this information is helpful for you. Please remember to like and subscribe if so. And until next time, I want to wish you safer and happier driving.